You might have created a beautiful video. The editing is good, the content is valuable, but if your thumbnail is not clickable, most people will never watch the video. In this video, I'll calmly walk you through how to create a clean, attractive thumbnail using ChatGPT, step by step. No stress, no design experience needed, just a simple process that works. First, understand this principle. ChatGPT responds based on how you instruct it. So if you ask for a thumbnail in a simple way, you'll get a simple result. But if you guide it like a designer, the output becomes much better. Here's what you do. Open ChatGPT and don't just say, create a thumbnail. Instead, give it a role. Just say, act as a professional YouTube thumbnail designer. Then describe the style you want. For example, clean and modern, bright colors with high contrast, big readable text, simple background, one clear emotion. You're not designing yet, you're guiding the idea. Next, ask ChatGPT for structure. Ask it to give you a short thumbnail text, a color combination, and a clear image description. This description is what you can use in any design app or even an AI image generator. Why does this work? Because you gave ChatGPT direction. You defined the tone, you guided the style, and that's the difference between a random thumbnail and a clickable one. Wow, it generated. Let's take a look as you've seen in just 2 minutes. ChatGPT created a beautiful thumbnail for me without wasting much time. Note, good thumbnails are not designed randomly. They are planned intentionally. If this explanation helped you, say thank you in the comments and subscribe for more AI tips. If you have questions, drop them below. I'll reply to them.